Today, I'll show you how to turn your video into black and white. This effect is perfect for adding a vintage, cinematic, or emotional style to your edits. Let's get started. First, add your video to the timeline and tap on it to select it. Now, you can do this in two different ways. The first way is with filters. Tap on filter from the bottom toolbar, then scroll until you find the black and white options like F6 or F7. Tap on one and your video instantly changes to black and white. You can even adjust the intensity slider to make it stronger or softer. The second way is with manual adjustments. Tap on the clip again and choose adjust. Now, go to the saturation slider and drag it all the way to the left. This removes all the colors from your video. From here, you can tweak the exposure and contrast to make the black and white effect look exactly how you want. And that's it. You've learned two easy ways to convert your video into black and white in VN Video Editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more VN editing tips.